Welcome back. On Thursday, 6 News is here for health. It's one of summer's most burning questions. Just how dangerous is it to exercise outdoors during a heat wave? Karen Hua has more on how you can safely work out in the heat.
Millions of Americans are living in places experiencing very hot temperatures this week. A challenge for many like Andrew Horowitz in New York City, still trying to get his run in.
It gets much harder and I get much slower.
Celebrity trainer Kira Stokes says that's okay. On really hot days, modify your workout. Keep it low intensity, monitor heart rate, and limit the duration.
I always say it's not the time to go out and try to run a marathon. And we talk about consistency in fitness so often that it is so key to achieving your goals, but you need to have flexibility within your consistencies.
Nearly 120,000 people visited the emergency room for heat-related illnesses in 2023, according to the latest CDC data.
People who exercise on hot days are more likely to suffer from dehydration and heat-related illnesses, according to the CDC. So here are the warning signs.
Like being in a state of confusion, fever, and being unable to drink. CBS chief medical correspondent Dr. John LaPook says, pay attention to indicators of dehydration.
When you wake up in the morning, you are dehydrated. You know, you haven't had any water overnight. So the first thing you should do is have a glass or two of water. What happens when you get dehydrated is that your urine becomes more and more concentrated because your kidneys are holding on to the water and it gets more and more yellow.
Horowitz says anyone exercising in these elements should plan ahead.
I bring water and maybe an electrolyte drink or something like that.
Experts also recommend exercising during the cooler parts of the day and monitoring the temperature and humidity. Karen Hua, CBS News, New York.